हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज शुरू करते हैं एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज 1.6 of chapter sets. Fine. So this exercise basically consists of a same kind of questions which are based on results of cardinal numbers. Results on cardinal numbers. Fine. I have already briefed you what is meant by cardinal number. If there is a set A with A, B, C as an element, then number of cardinal elements कितने हो जाएंगे? 3. So cardinal number of A means number of elements. Fine. So if there are 3 elements A, B, C, so the cardinal number will become n of A is equal to 3. Fine. अगर ये set B होगा तो cardinal number बन जाएगा n of B is equal to 3. अगर ये set C होगा तो cardinal number हो जाएगा n of C is equal to 3. So what are the results based on these cardinal number? It is given in booklet 1A, universal assignment, booklet 1A, FRC point 22. FRC point 22 has a lot of formulas, but the first 2 points are very important. First 2 points of this FRC 22 number is, first point is number of A union B is given by n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. You have to learn this. We can prove it also. Fine. The number of elements in A union B is given by number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of element common in, intersection means common in A and B. If A and B are disjoint, that means A and B has no element in common. Disjoint sets are the set which have no element in common. और disjoint set का intersection क्या होता है? 5. Disjoint set का intersection क्या होता है? 5. 5 means null set. Null set means no element. If A intersection B is 5, so then this will become 0. This will become what? 0. So n of A union will be left with what? N of A plus n of B, because this is 0. So n of A union B, same formula will become n of A plus n of B. Why in case of disjoint set? N of A intersection B becomes 5. 5 is null set. Null set means no element. 0 elements. Fine. So now these are the two formulas which we will be using in this exercise. Exercise 1.6 of NCERT. Let's see what he says in our first question. Very simple exercise. Fine. So this is my chapter 1 video lecture number 9. This is chapter 1 video lecture number 9. देखिए इसमें क्या brief कर रहा है. In the first question he says, if x and y are the two sets such that number of x is equal to 17 and number of y elements in set y is 23 and x union y has 38 elements, then 38 number of elements, then find x intersection y. Fine. So now just see to it. In this case, मैं पहले एक फॉर्मूला लिख देता हूं जी आपको. सभी क्वेश्चंस में जो यूज होगा, A यूनियन B इज इक्वल टू n of A n of B minus n of A intersection B. So if I see all together, we have 4 content. 1, 2, 3, 4. In all the questions, out of these 4, 3 will be given to us. सभी questions में आपको 1, 2, 3 दे देगा, 4 पूछ लेगा, 4, 3, 2 दे देगा, 1 पूछ लेगा, 2, 1, 4 दे देगा, 3 पूछ लेगा. We know how to solve the linear equation. आपके पास जो मटेरियल है, आपके पास यूनियन है, आपके पास A है, आपके पास इंटरसेक्शन है, फिल करें इक्वेशन में, लीनियर इक्वेशन में. B को एक साइड में रखें, बाकी को आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करके you can find their answers. So in all the question of this exercise, always remember this formula. अगर वो A and B can be changed. अगर वो कहीं कह रहा है कि number of हिंदी and English, तो मैं A को H ले लूंगा, B को English ले लूंगा. If he is saying number of people taking coffee and tea, so I will take A as C. C means coffee. B as B for tea, that is tea. Fine. So just see that letters can change, but in all the question we have given 3 contents out of these 4, and 4 can be found by using this formula. So see what he says in the first question. Now this, in this question he is saying that we have number of x is 17, number of y is 23 and number of x union y is 38. आपको ये तीन देगी 1 2 3. आप फोर्थ क्या निकालने के लिए कह रहा है नंबर ऑफ एक्स इंटरसेक्शन वाई निकालो. सिंपल. हम इसी, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. we'll replace this a and b by x and y and fill all this block in this question like this. कैसे fill करेंगे बच्चे? now x intersection y, this can be written as, we can write the formula like this: number of x union y is equal to number of x plus number of y minus number of x intersection y. fine, ठीक है. अब आपको यूनियन कितना दिया हुआ है 38, आपको x कितना दिया हुआ है 17. we have given this y is 23 and we have to find x intersection y. clearly mentioned है. fine. now this is 38 is equal to 40 minus number of x intersection y. आप कैसे भी किसी भी वेरिएबल को कैसे निकालते हैं? ये जो वेरिएबल हमको निकालना है नंबर ऑफ एक्स इंटरसेक्शन वाई, दिस विल ब्रिंग इट दिस साइड. फाइन. तो ये कितना रहेगा? नंबर ऑफ एक्स इंटरसेक्शन वाई इज इक्वल टू 40 माइनस 38. दिस इज 2. सो दिस आंसर व्हिच वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, दिस आंसर विल बिकम व्हाट? 2. 2 is my final answer. So simple. In that, as I briefed, that in all the question we will use this formula. Formula has a 4 parts, 1 2 3 4. in all these questions of exercise 1.6, out of these 4 3 will be given. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन 1 में हमको फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है, सेकंड पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, थर्ड पॉइंट दिया हुआ है. we have to find this. simply replace this a and b by x and y. this becomes my formula. replace it, find the value of x intersection y. basic. this kind of working is basically of 9th standard, nothing to do with the 11th class. So see what basically he says in the second question. Same way, we have given n of x, number of y, number of x union y, and we have to find number of x. We have to find x intersection y. Same way, जैसे यहाँ पे intersection निकाला है, same way we can find. Third question में भी again, he is saying in a group of 400 people. In a group of 400 people, तो 400 will become union. 400 will become what? Union. 250 can speak Hindi. तो number of h speaking. देखेंगे आप इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 400 पीपल, सो नंबर ऑफ हिंदी यूनियन इंग्लिश, दे आर 400. फाइन. सेकेंड पॉइंट, देन व्हाट ही सेइंग इट, 250 कैन स्पीक हिंदी. number of Hindi speaking are 250. then what he says, question 3, this is question 3. then what he says, 200 can speak English. number of English speaking are 200. fine. and what he's asking at the end is, how many people can speak Hindi and English? and means intersection. always remember this funda. अगर कहीं पे एंड का लिंक आएगा उसका मतलब है कॉमन, इंटरसेक्शन और यूनियन. जहां पे भी ऑल का फंडा आ रहा है वील यूज यूनियन, जहां पे भी एंड दिस वील यूज इंटरसेक्शन. सो हमको हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोलने वाले निकालने हैं. अगर मैं वेन डायग्राम से इसको लिखूं तो मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं, हिंदी आर दिस, इंग्लिश आर दिस. हमको हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश दोनों बोलने वाले, दिस पोर्शन वी हैव टू फाइंड हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. इज दिस फाइन? ठीक है. अब इस क्वेश्चन में फिर से आप देखेंगे, आउट ऑफ 4 स्टेप्स 3 आर गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड द फोर्थ वन. इसको हमको निकालना है. वेरी सिंपल. लेट अस यूज द फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला नंबर 1, दिस फॉर्मूला which is n of a union b is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. so we can say, we can write. So for this a and b I'll use h and e. तो तो नंबर ऑफ H यूनियन E इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ H प्लस नंबर ऑफ E माइनस नंबर ऑफ H इंटरसेक्शन E. So see, H union E is given you 400, number of H is given you 250. आपको ये दिया हुआ है, आपको ये दिया हुआ है. Out of these 4 points, these are the 4 points. 3 are given to us. This is given, this is given, this is given. We have to find this. Very simple. So number of E is 200 and number of Hindi intersection English we need to find. So it's very simple. 400. This is become 4. This is 450. Number of H intersection E. I'll shift this to this side. This will become my number of Hindi intersection English is equal to 450 minus 400 and that gets you what? 50. So ये portion जो मुझे निकालना था, fine, this was my query in a question. This is now, this answer is what? 50. Very simple, fine. So this was a question number 3rd of the same exercise. Same way we can see the question 4th. Then same way is 5th. Fine. Now look at the 6th question again. Sixth question. Exercise 1.6, question 6. Now what he says in this question, in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one. This is a very important point for all of you to underline. Each person like at least one of the 2 drinks. That means 70 लोगों के ग्रुप में कोई बंदा ऐसा नहीं है जो ये कह रहा है कि मैं चाय भी नहीं पी रहा ना कॉफी भी नहीं पी रहा. Each person like at least one of the drink. या तो कोई भी इंडिविजुअल चाय पी रहा है या हो सकता है वो कॉफी पी रहा है या वो दोनों पी रहा है. But there is not even a single person in a group of 70 people who is saying that I am not taking any of the drink. Fine. So this is a very important point. Now what he is saying, how many like both coffee and tea? तो जिस क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट ये आ जाएगा that each person like at least one of the 2 drinks, so we'll use that the total group as union. That means what? That a group of 70 people that is given us coffee and tea. Since each of them is taking either of the drink, so number of C union T, coffee union T is what? 70. Now what he is saying in a second statement, he is saying 37 like coffee. Number of people likes tea are 52. How many likes both coffee and tea? Both. Both means common. C and this. This we have to find. So in the question we have given point 1, we have given point 2, we have given point 3, we have to find the point 4. Again, in all the questions we have this equation which satisfies the 4 points. Out of 4 points, 3 are given. Fill into the equation, find the 4th one. Very simple. We can write, what we can write? Number of C union T is equal to number of C plus number of T minus number of C intersection T. So C union T is what? 70 is equal to 37 plus 52 minus number of C intersection T. It's fine. This is 70, number of C 37, this is 52, number of C intersection T. This is 70, this becomes 9 and this is 89 minus number of C intersection T. आप इसको इधर ले आए. Number of C intersection T are 89 minus 17. This is what? 19. So there are 19 people in the group who are taking both the drinks. तो अगर ये कॉफी है, ये टी है, तो 19 लोग ऐसे हैं जो कॉफी और टी दोनों ले लेंगे. 19 लोग. C intersection, ये this is C, this is T. तो दोनों का कॉमन पोर्शन है ये वाला शेडेड पोर्शन. So these numbers are what? 19. Very simple. So this was question 6. Same way, let's see what our question 7 is. Question 7th is, in a group of 65 people, number of 65 people, that is what he is saying is 40 likes cricket and 10 likes tennis. Fine. So in a group of cricket and tennis people, there are total 65. Number of cricket liking, number of tennis liking, number of, what basically he says is, in a group of 65 people, 40 likes cricket, 40 likes cricket, and 10 likes both. Both means C intersection T is 10. Fine. Now intersection is given to us. How many like tennis only? दो क्वेश्चन है इस क्वेश्चन में. How many like tennis only? First point is number of only tennis. Second query is number of tennis. देखिए फंडे को समझे. कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं ओनली टेनिस एंड टेनिस में क्या फर्क है सर? ध्यान से देखिए, अगर ये क्वेश्चन है ऐसे, क्रिकेट एंड टेनिस, ओनली टेनिस मीन्स ओनली दीज, ओनली टेनिस, क्रिकेट नहीं है, ओनली टेनिस, सिर्फ टेनिस खेलने वाले, दिस शेडेड पोर्शन इज ओनली टेनिस, इज फाइन. Whereas this shaded portion and this cross portion, दोनों को अगर ऐड कर देंगे तो टेनिस इज ओनली शेडेड पोर्शन. टेनिस प्लस दिस क्रॉस पोर्शन, ऑल प्लेइंग टेनिस, ये वाले सब लोग हैं जो टेनिस खेल रहे हैं, इन सब लोगों को टेनिस आता है, दे कैन प्ले टेनिस. Whereas these cross portion are the people which are playing tennis as well as cricket. But when he says number of people who can play tennis, so I'll see these number. Only tennis plus common. When he say only tennis, then I'll do only the shading portion. Only tennis is a shading. Only tennis is a shading. And tennis is shading plus ये cross numbers. This is cross numbers. Is clear? This is a basic figure way to prove, to make you understand what he wanted to say by tennis only and all people can play tennis. Fine. So let's start with this point. मैं इसको रब करता हूँ. अब हम आते हैं इस वाले पोर्शन पे. So again we have to see number of cricket union tennis is number of cricket plus number of tennis minus number of cricket intersection tennis. So what is given in this case? This is given me 65, this is given to me as 40, and this intersection tennis I don't have, this I don't have, and this is given me 10, common is 10. Fine. So I'll replace this value of 1, 2, 3 in this formula. This is the formula. Fine. We have this formula. Now see, what does it mean? 65 is equal to, this is what? This is 30 plus n of t. तो number of tennis is, ये 30 इधर आ जाएगा. Fine. तो कितना बन जाएगा जी? Number of tennis is 35. Number of tennis is 35. Number of tennis is 35. जब number of tennis 35 आ गए, so that means this portion plus shading portion is 35. Whereas this portion is given you 10. We have given that the intersection is 10 because cricket intersection tennis, cricket and tennis का जो common है, this number is 10. So number of only tennis, number of tennis minus number of cricket intersection tennis. तो टोटल 35 में से 10 माइनस कर देंगे जी, 35 में से 10 माइनस कर देंगे. 25 लोग ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ टेनिस खेल रहे हैं जी. तो 25 लोग सिर्फ टेनिस खेल रहे हैं, 10 लोग कॉमन है जो टेनिस और क्रिकेट दोनों खेल रहे हैं, और टोटल टेनिस खेलने वाले कितने हो जाएंगे? 35 होंगे. तो नंबर ऑफ टेनिस प्लेइंग आर 35. ये बन जाएगा this answer will become 35. and only tennis are 25. only tennis में कॉमन वाले जब ऐड करेंगे 10 plus 25 35 आ जाएगा. Good question. Fine. So that's very important part. Let's pick the last question of this. That is the 8th question. Again a very good point. See what he says in this. In a committee of 50 people, in a committee 50 people speaks French. Fine. The number of French speaking are 50. This is 1.6 question 8. Fine. Now what he says, 20 speak Spanish. 10 speaks both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Underline this very important point. How many speak at least one of these two languages? अब कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं सर इसमें यूनियन तो कोई दिया ही नहीं है. जब भी एटलीस्ट वाले स्टेटमेंट में आता है तो दैट मीन्स यूनियन आने लगे. So what he wanted to find out through the last statement is how many speak at least one of these two languages. That means we have to find number of Spanish union French. Underline this point too. Again these are the 4 points. We write the formula. We can write formula क्या बचे? Number of Spanish union French is number of Spanish plus number of French minus number of Spanish intersection French. Fine. So this union we have to find out. तो इसको S union F रखेंगे. Number of Spanish are 10. Number of French 20. Number of French are 50. And intersection is given you 10. So number of S union F is equal to 70 minus 10. That is 60. Fine. So we have to just find number of people who speak Spanish and French. आप F union S लिखें या F को आगे पीछे लिखें उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because we have already proved that number of A union B is equal to number of B union A. Union is commutative. ऐसे ही number of A intersection B is equal to number of B intersection A. Fine. तो कोई बच्चा ऐसा ना सोचे कि ये S union F है या हमने F union S लिखा हुआ है या उसमें आगे पीछे चेंज किया. It does not matter because union and intersection both are what they stand for what? Commutative law. Fine. This finish all the question of exercise 1.6 till question 8. We'll continue with the miscellaneous exercise in a very next lecture. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.